You ever run into a rounded bolt head that makes you question your life choices? You came here to fix one thing, and suddenly, you're in a boss battle you didn't sign up for. Relax, we've all been there. A rounded bolt is basically the mechanical version of a toxic friend. You try to be gentle, you try to be patient, and somehow it still makes everything worse. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive tools or fancy gadgets. All you need is a hammer and a cold chisel. Two tools so basic, they're practically ancient. If cavemen could make fire, you can fix this bolt. Wear safety glasses. Metal chips can fly everywhere. Trust me, nobody wants to spend their weekend looking like a discount pirate. Here's what you do. Place the cold chisel at the edge of the bolt head. Angle it at about 45 degrees. Tap it gently with a hammer. Like you're waking up a roommate who owes you money. Don't hit it hard. Yelling at the bolt won't help. In fact, the harder you hit it, the worse it gets. Those light taps let the chisel grip the metal. Think of it as mechanical persuasion. Eventually, the bolt gives up and starts to turn. When you see the bolt rotate even slightly, that's your win. It's like when someone finally admits they're wrong. Rare but satisfying. If it's stuck, use penetrating oil. Like giving coffee to someone in a bad mood. For tight spaces, use a smaller chisel. Don't force a big tool where it doesn't fit. That never ends well. If it's really frozen, apply some heat. Metal expands when heated, just like people relax in warmth. Don't hit too hard. You're fixing a bolt, not breaking down a wall. And don't keep the chisel too flat. That just scratches the surface without moving it. So remember, light taps, steady rhythm, and patience. Respect the bolt until you need to persuade it with a hammer. If this helped, hit the like button. If not, hit like anyway. It makes me feel better about arguing with bolts all day. Subscribe for more time-saving tips. Share your worst bolt stories in the comments. I want to know I'm not alone in this struggle. See you in the next one.